Good morning to everyone. I am your social teacher Nait Fatma, and today I am going to teach you about the ecosystem. Firstly, let us know that what is an ecosystem. But remember it one thing, we have to learn only some basic concept of ecosystem, not in details. Okay? Ecosystem. Ecosystem is that a word which is given by A.J. Tansile, and it is composed of two words, that is eco plus system. Eco means a region where living organisms live. If we talk about the definition of ecosystem, so that is ecosystem is the interaction of organisms with one another and with their environments in which they live. Let us take example to make it easy. There is an aquatic plant which is eaten by small fish, and a small fish is eaten by large fish, and large fish is eaten by the mans. That it means animal, human beings, plants are interacted with each other as directly or indirectly. But in this food chain, when we see that animals and human beings are dependent to the plants for their food, but plants are independent because they make their own food in the presence of sunlight. That's why plants are called producer and animals and human beings are called consumer. Let us suppose that if soil does not have right nutrients and there is no enough light or water, so what will be happening? It may be possible plant will be die, and you know that some animals are dependent on plants for taking their foods. So if plants will be die, that it means animal does not take their foods, and it may be possible animal will also die. Ecosystem in nature work in the same way. All parts of ecosystem are work together to make a balanced system. Let us take other example of ecosystem like largest forest, grassland, desert, lakes, mountains, river, and even small ponds are example of ecosystem. That it means everything in the natural world is interrelated with each other.